What kind of mind are you using to learn English? A frozen mind or a fluid mind? If English words were fish, learning with a frozen mind would be like trying to release fish into a frozen lake. Speaking English with a frozen mind can be very uncomfortable. Learning with a fluid mind is like swimming in warm water, watching colorful fish go by. What freezes a mind? Stress, sadness, anger, worry, and fear, especially the fear of being wrong. A frozen mind tries to keep itself tight while learning, which is why the knowledge fish don't enter it very easily. What unfreezes a mind? Learning how to access your secret learning superpower. When you do this, your mind becomes a magnet for knowledge and ideas. Relax your mind and open the learning channel. Take a free class with Heart Mind English and discover the secret of letting your mind flow.